Hi, my name is Dr. Slate. I am a general dentist practicing cosmetic and restorative dentistry here in Washington, D.C. In the Foxhall area, serving patients in Northwest D.C. and the Bethesda area. I moved here from West Palm Beach, Florida, and I've been practicing in this area, in the Georgetown West End area, for about 6-7 years and took over this practice just over a year ago. I'm married to my wife, Megan. She is a practicing OBGYN in Rockville, Maryland. And we have one daughter. Her name's Emery. She's about 2.5 right now, and we've got another one on the way. I'd like to spend a little bit of time introducing myself, what I specialize in, what I like to do, and, some of the exciting developments that we have happening here at Slate Dental. I went to school at the University of Florida, where I did my undergraduate degree and basically started my dental career, shadowing in the dental clinics. And then from there, my girlfriend at the time and my wife now, she was going to medical school and I was going to dental school. We applied across the country and chose to go to FAU in Boca Raton, and I went to Nova Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I love that program. I learned a lot there. It was very prosthetics driven. Which are, many of those concepts that I use today, I still apply and practice every day. Outside of the office, I have a list of hobbies. There's a lot of them, and I'll read them quickly. Lacrosse, surfing, rock climbing, snowboarding, fishing, diving, spearfishing, wakeboarding, skimboarding, swimming, travel, camping, hiking, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, archery, bow hunting, golfing, and now kids' activities. One of the things that is really important to me is quality of care. So you're not going to see me, in and out of rooms very quickly. I like to spend time with my patients, educate them, teach them about some of the problems that they have, and all of the solutions that are available to them. What I care about most in my day-to-day and practicing here at Slate Dental is creating systems and protocols that are predictable, so that we can deliver those really high quality treatment outcomes. There's a philosophy that I live by in the dental world, and that is doing the harder right over the easier wrong. And what that translates to is, any choice that we make, any treatment that we decide on, we're trying to do what's right and what's best for my patients and their oral health in the long term. So by creating this practice and creating this space, I was able to develop systems that allow me to thrive as a dentist and provide top level and top quality care to the patients in this area. My practice is not a one-stop shop. I specialize in restorative and cosmetic dentistry, and I do those things very well. I understand the material science behind it. I understand how to create very predictable treatment plans for my patients. And sometimes we need the help of other specialists, endodontists, periodontists, oral surgeons, orthodontists. Luckily, we live in a very busy area. A lot of people, a lot of great specialists. And I've been able to network with some fantastic clinicians in the area. And our teams are fairly similar. Our offices are fairly similar. We function the same way. And those are the people that I've partnered with and send my patients to if we do need to outsource some treatments, ultimately to get us to the point where we have some very predictable treatment outcomes. When I started this practice, I started to think about putting myself in my patient's shoes and what type of experience are they looking for? Nobody likes to wait in a waiting room or have pain or have hidden fees or surprise treatments or a change in plans. So from the moment you walk through the door or the moment you call our office, we focus on patient education, making sure that you understand everything about what's going on in your mouth, how we proceed with things, how we handle your care, ultimately to get you from a point of distress where you may be healthy now to a point of having a very healthy oral environment. Because patient education is very important to me, and it's part of my day-to-day here at Slate Dental. I wanted to create a video series that goes over some of the common questions I get from my patients and also shed light on some of the common problems that I see in my day-to-day that most people don't ask questions about. If you've got any questions, comments, thoughts, concerns about your oral health, friends, family, anyone, we're here for you. You can find us on Facebook, on Instagram. You can find me on my website, slatedentaldc.com. You can call us. Whatever works best for you. We're available 24/7.